Lesson 9 is a capstone. 4 exercise, 1 repo. If you are following along, get the GitHub example link from description below. You have already built the pieces, then text planning, implementation, guardrails, and maintenance. Now all you need is to run the loop end to end. Start with the context layer, fix the doc and the vocab, and remove the guesswork. If the agent can explain the notification flow from docs, you alone have done it right. Second thing, please don't worry if I'm running too fast on this slide. The detailed example documentation is available as a markdown in GitHub repo. We will walk through towards the end of this slideshow on the code base. So I will show you everything where we have tapped and what you can do to set up it. Now for the planning phase. Before the code, prompt must return a plan, not the TypeScript. Test it with the red limiting. If it writes the code, tighten the prompt. Next, split the work. Planner write the spec, tester write the failing test. Implementer make them pass. The feature is audit logging for your preference changes. Now add the guardrails. Block the missing audit. Block the new rules without test, and then record your context inventory so you can maintain it. That's a loop, curate, plan, build, and validate. Now, please get the GitHub example repo from the link, star it, we appreciate that, and watch it for the updates on GitHub. We will keep adding more and more examples for everyone's benefit. Now let's quickly walk through the GitHub code. We are on the VS Studio, and this is the example 9. The example 9 has some context ready, the documentation ready for you. There will be some missing link. That's the idea. You will find it and fix it. Not a lot. The exercise 1 is available here. What you're supposed to do, there is sufficient information and objective in given. The exercise 2 is given, exercise 3 and exercise 4. All those exercises are in sequential manner. That means you can't jump the exercise between. Get exercise 1 right is the prerequisite for 2. Getting 2 right is a prerequisite for 3, and the vice and the same on number 4. Your core objective is to get 1 to 4 without failing once. Once you get that, you have completed the loop of real world example or real world experience, how to make from setup to guardrails. That will internalize the workflow. It is possible you may not get it first or second attempt or maybe third attempt. The whole idea of this exercise is to keep repeating it. Even if you manage it from 1 to 4 in a one go, do it couple of times. The reason is you will find better ways to do it again and again. And that's the whole idea of internalization. AI assisted programming and engineering is essential now. Without that, everyone will struggle. So make sure you pay the enough efforts and time for this base skill. This is pretty much a core skill that will allow people to build further skill on top of it. Getting it right with the correct understanding is essential, and this will make sure it happens. So let's go back on our presentation and conclude the whole course. So we are going back on our presentation, GitHub repo and everything I have already described, and I give you thanks in advance to give us a star there as well. So that's the capstone. Get the GitHub repo and get it on. Subscribe to LocalM Tuts, and I'll see you in some other course. Thank you.